Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see left join in SQL. So what is SQL left join? You can see we have two tables, table 1 in left side and table 2 in right side. So when join condition is met, it returns all the rows of table 1 and matching rows of table 2. Okay, the rows of table 1 where there is no match in table 2, the resultant table will have null value. Okay, so whatever the rows which are not matched, those will reflect null value. Okay, now let's see SQL left join syntax. So here you can see table 1 and table 2. So we can write in either way, like select column 1, column 2, how many columns you want from table 1, and then left join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name, or you can select table 1 dot column 1 as per your requirement, table 2 dot column 1 up to column n from table 1, left join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. So both are same. You can write as per your preference and requirement in the project. Okay, so now let's see an example of left join. So we can see we have two tables, employee details and department details. So here you can see employee ID, employee name, age, city, salary. We have these columns in employee details table, and in department table we have employee ID, employee name, sex and department. Okay, so we will do left join of these two tables based on common column EMP ID. We can see here matched EMP IDs are marked in yellow. Okay, so after left joining of those two tables, we will get all the matching rows of left and right table, and all the unmatched rows of left table will have null values. Okay, so we will see that in Toad for Oracle editor, and we will execute the left join query. Okay, so here we have these two tables. Okay, employee details and department details. Okay, so let's do select star, and you can see all these columns, employee ID, employee name, age, and let's do select star from department. You can see employee ID, employee name, sex and department. Okay, now what we will do, we will do left join of these two tables. So we will write the query. So select first let me select star from employee details. Okay, so these are the columns. Now we will select emp.emp id, emp.emp name, okay, and comma emp.salary, okay, comma dept. We will give alias of department details dot, just a minute, sex and dept dot department. Okay, from table 1 as per syntax we saw. So here table 1 is employee details. Okay, and we are giving alias as emp. Left join, we will write department details and we will give the alias name as dept dept on emp dot emp id equal to dept dot employee id. Okay, so as per the syntax we wrote the left join query. Now if you execute this, you will see both these tables are joined and we got the resultant data. So here you can see all the matched rows got sex and department values, but at the end for 4 rows we can see null values. So those rows didn't match with table 2, that is your department details. That's why it didn't return any values, it got null value. Okay, so we can see null values for the unmatched rows. Okay, now suppose you want to add one where clause, where emp dot salary suppose greater than equal to 10,000. Okay, so let's execute this query. So here you can see it filtered the salary which is greater than or equal to 10,000. Okay, and remaining rows don't have sex and department values because those are unmatched rows from table 1 and table 2. Okay, so this is how we write left join query. Okay, so here you can see, let's understand this query. So we are selecting the columns from employee tables, employee ID, employee name and salary, and then we are selecting sex and department from department details table. Okay, and then we are doing left join department details, that is your right table, and condition is on emp.employee id equal to department.employee id. Okay, and you can use where condition if you have the requirement. Okay, so this is how we learn left join in SQL. So thank you all, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more informative sessions. Thank you. Bye.